working. Full speed. Trying to get this thing going. The battery was dead in it. What's new? Let's see if we can get it.
There it is. Quick clean the air filter out.
Gosh, you're wet. Well, your pants are weird right there. Yeah, these are the Duluth Trading Company. They have the ballroom. Yeah, and they're lined, so they're warm. I didn't make a video for the race like we said we were gonna, because we didn't race. That's right.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't even address that.
We have some footage from it, though.
We have some footage of me going around the practice laps. We can insert it.
I've got like
We did try to race for you guys. We tried, but we didn't make it. We failed. So you get. Why'd you just kick the shit out of my car?
You didn't know. Passing the tow hook.
Whoa, it's perfect.
You better get Mason, not me. Just rocket launch it. I'll stand here. I don't care.
Okay. We're both going down.
Oh, my car. Dude, you're just picking my car up.
Wash that thing once in a while, Jared.
Why would I do that when you're just gonna throw snow at it? Full speed this thing. Third gear tap. Not fast enough. Do it again.
What does that stuff look like? Let me see that.
What does it look like?
Yeah, it looks like my. Does it look like my spinal cord accordions?
Everybody asks that on this channel. We've all asked that same question. How does it look? Does it look cool? What's that look like?
Well, I feel like I'm level with the peak of the house.
Oh my god!
That was sweet. Extra mega air that time.
jump the whole thing now.
I'll try.
Oh my gosh. That.
Oh my God. Ow!
You know, for a Jeep, it sure does get stuck a lot.
Yeah. That's something among the Jeep community that we don't talk about very often.
Can you hit it faster?
I can try, but you just fucking nosedive off of it. We had a lot of fun yesterday, except for the part where we have been failing to address the main issue on this Jeep, the battery box. So,
The frickin' battery box.
now that, you know, I have a degree as an engineer, I'm gonna use it. And one more time, I built a throttle, so we're gonna see if I can make a battery box now. 3D print ourselves a nice battery box. So the
Next
plan,
thing, we need a new car.
yes, I will try and 3D print you a car.
We need this.
Yeah, to sit right in
here.
there.
And
So-
not on the exhaust down there.
Not on the exhaust. The exhaust is down there.
This has sat on the
Yeah,
exhaust.
that's what it ends up happening.
And-
that battery probably needs to be replaced at some point because, you know, giant hole in it.
It's
But
not leaking.
it's not leaking, so
Is it still battery
Unless it-
power right now?
unless it leaked it all out, now there's just nothing left to leak.
Step on it.
Well, it has power, so
Surprising.
okay.
Very surprised.
So the plan is to get a box to fit in this area. There's this bracket thing right here. There's a hole that goes through it. So we're just gonna use a long bolt, come out here. We're gonna make a box like this with a hole on the side in the top corner that the bolt can go all the way through and just kind of hang on so it will pivot a little bit. But once we tighten it, I don't think it'll pivot. But yeah, that's kind of the plan. Something super basic, but completely practical and
You're the engineer.
will work.
Last time I helped, it started burning on the exhaust. So, I mean, it's, every time we go out, something breaks. So
Right.
gotta spend like a full week and fix everything. The only thing that doesn't break is the Honda.
Well, that's because it's a Honda. I broke it. Oh! It's broken! It's broken! Whoa! We got the part printed. So what you didn't see was that the print that you actually saw in the time lapse, totally different color filament, and the spool bound up. So it wasn't letting the filament come off the spool, and it ended up ruining the print. Failed 13 hours into the 14-hour print. I needed to end up going to get more filament, and then I reprinted it. But the difference between this filament, obviously other than the color, is that this is a tough PLA, so it should be a little better, I guess, maybe for this application. So we're just gonna peel off this support material here, and then we're gonna stick it in and see what happens. So I got the support material off. Still a little couple frills on there. I'm not worried about that though. It's not going to affect how it works. It's just a box. So another thing I noticed is the bolt that we're going to end up using. The hole, I designed it specific to the size of this, but obviously when you're 3D printing you have to take into account shrink in the part, and I didn't do that. So now the hole is a little too small, but that shouldn't be an issue. We'll be able to drill it out relatively easy. Yeah, perfect. Wow, that fits so good in there. Look at that. Barely any play at all. That's gonna work so good. Look at how nice that fits. It's like perfect size. I don't think I could have got that any more perfect. Literally no play in it whatsoever.
Wow.
Yeah. So yeah, I had it. So
That's awesome.
right away, I had it the same depth as the battery, and then I was like, well, the wires are probably going to get in the way. So I was like, let's have it pop out
See?
like an inch.
You're
and
thinking.
then
Good job.
support material.
Weird.
It'd be good for an ASMR. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Battery box is in. You'll probably see the Jeep running shortly again. Obviously, we're gonna keep playing with it, but
Yeah, it's that time of year where stuff's gonna start melting and get real sloppy.
I know how you kids like 'em sloppy.
Oh, I guess we test it next time, right? What's next?
yeah, I hadn't really thought about what's next. Just working on stuff, getting it to the point where we're good to go.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of fixing and whatnot. We might pick up another We might pick up another track snowblower, and we got some ideas floating. Germ, you have some ideas floating around that we might have to make to fruition because
It sounds fun.
they sound fun. Yeah.
It sounds like a little blast. We're above 850 subs now. We have 855. We're 140 some away from
145 subs away from hitting that 1,000 mark.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's get all the way up to 1,000, and then up from there.
Yeah. Also, don't stop there. Keep
Yeah,
going.
up until about 10 million or
Yeah.
so. Then you guys can start.
We'll be
slowing
satisfied.
down. But right now, let's pass 1,000.
Yep. Baby steps. Make sure
Yeah.
to subscribe.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. I guess we'll see you next time.